Now in this video I want to talk about the potential of reverse alerts. Okay, one thing I want to point out to you is that you can also use the alerts in a way that may not be as common, but as a trader you should know how to take advantage of. So let me explain what I mean. Let's say that you're in a move that the system gave you an alert on. Let's say that you also gained maybe 150 pips from that move, and now it looks like the volatility is drying up. You then get a signal to close that trade. If you develop your skills in this area, this can be golden. Why do you ask? Because if you're getting signal to get out of the market, then that's also the signs that the market might be reversing. At this point, you want to take a look at your chart, like the insider code chart, to see if you've hit maybe a potential support or resistance point on a higher time frame. Now you have the setup for another trade. Now you want to look to see if you can use the counter trend tactics in the insider code kit to catch the other move. This is where you wait for confirmation, particularly in a market that is trending strongly. If you have a strong trend, then it's sometimes best not to trade in the opposite direction, but just to wait for the pullback. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples now. Okay, so going to this example that we just looked at right here. Okay, we see we're in a very strong trend, right? Market moves up. Okay, but look at this. We get a kind of this little 3-bar reversal thing right here, but okay, we never broke this 3-bar reversal down here, so we're still in this move. And eventually, boom, we break it right here. At this point, the software would have told you to close the trade because it breaks the 3-bar reversal, right? Now look at this. Now the market starts to turn around right here. You come down here, you see the T meter is starting to move down and move to the bottom of the orange line. You see down here, you're getting red candles. Right there, some neutral candles. Okay, that's an indication that the market may be reversing. Now, all you need to do is go to your bigger chart. I have a 5-minute open here, and then look to see, check to see if you have hit maybe like a potential area of support or resistance here. Now, one helpful thing to do sometimes is maybe have a couple of these open where here lately at the time of this recording, the market's really been responding to those moving averages on the insider code template, where you'll see it come up and maybe test the first area and then move down and then come up and test the second one and then turn around. And that's what you may see happen over here when you actually get stopped out of the trade. So in conclusion, whenever you get a signal to close the trade, at that point, you want to go back to the charts, use the tactics that you learned in the insider code kit to see if volatility is drying up, if you hit an area of major support or resistance, and then to see if you get a 3-bar reversal to take the trade in the other direction. But like I said before, if you're in a market that's trending very strongly, the first signal you get, you probably shouldn't take. You should wait to see if the market's going to really pull back, wait for confirmation, and then from there, look to see if you can get in the market going in the opposite direction. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Let's go ahead and let's move on to our next section now.